Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can archive tasks in the Any.do application. So let us begin. In the first step, launch the Any.do application, for example on your Android. And what you want to do guys is navigate to the list of tasks here in your application and tap into the task you would like to archive. So let me go with that one here, wake up early. So archiving means in the Any.do application guys that you technically remove or delete the task. So what you want to do is tap into these three dots in the top left corner and select archive. And after that, the Any.do application will ask you if you are sure to delete the given task. So if that's the case, tap into delete, just like that, and that is going to remove the given task from your list of tasks, as you can see. So there is no way how we can archive them technically. These will be deleted, guys. Keep that in mind. And that's it. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.